dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIMS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National and International School in Partnership. Today I am going to take an ICT class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, chapter 3, short question, 3 and 4 sit topic. So let's see our today's class. Term annual, class 6, subject ICT, topic chapter 3, short question 3 and 4, lecture 7, SW6, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see our today's class, today's topic, chapter 3, safe use of information communication technology, short question 3 and 4. So I am reading. Short question 3, write down a way of taking care of softwares. I am not pointing so that you can see clearly. So write down a way of taking care of softwares. Answer: software is very necessary to operate a computer. That is why it is essential to take care of software. There are several ways to take care of software. Here we will discuss a very crucial obstruction of a computer, which is virus. The biggest enemy of computer software is virus. Virus is harmful program. If any virus infected disk, CD, pen drive or hard disk is inserted in the computer, automatically that virus gets inside the computer. Therefore, any external portable storage device must be checked carefully before inserting it into a computer. We use an antivirus program to get rid of virus. So this is short question number 3, and then short question number 4. What is computer virus? What are the effects of virus? Answer: computer virus is a program that multiplies and spreads on its own. It spreads easily through computer networks nowadays. If anything is copied on a CD or pen drive, virus can be spread from it. So one must always be careful while copying files to a pen drive. A virus attack computer does not work properly. A virus spreads easily through computer networks nowadays. It creates many more viruses on a computer. A virus attack computer becomes slow and damages data on the hard disk. So the virus attack computers face a lot of bad effects. So my dear students, we have finished our today's lecture. Chapter 3, short question 3. The question is, write down a way of taking care of software. And question number 4, what is computer virus? What are the effects of virus? Okay, so my dear students, your SW will be SW6, chapter 3, short question 4. So you will write down only short question 4 in your SW4. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.